family.
知媒的联合创始人妮娜小耳朵。今天在我们的大会现场呢，刚刚我也提到了，看到了很多的老。
Good morning to all Tom family members. I'm today's host Nina, the co-founder of Nino Weir Media. I'm very happy to participate in the first official large-scale summit of Tom ecosystem in Asia Pacific region with you today. The content of our meeting today not only covers the various business lines of Tom official foundation, as well as a lot of insider information. The person in charge, as well as the Tom ecological project developers and investors who come from all over the world, are going to be here today too. And the most important thing is the tens and thousands of Tom contributors in the Asia Pacific region, as well as our sponsors. Very welcome to all of you. So at the same time, before we start our event today, I would like to give our special thanks to our sponsors, Pluto Studio. Pluto Studio is a new generation game protocol that aims to empower 1 billion gamers to embrace Web3 and hold encrypted assets. Tom Fura is an important API RPC service provider in the Tom blockchain ecosystem, serving exchanges, wallets, decentralized applications, and DeFi. Tom Apps Group is a company that builds infrastructure and consumer products for the Tom ecosystem. Its products include Tom Kiefer, a self-hosted wallet with more than 1 million users, Tom Viewers, browser with more than 500,000 users, and empowers 90% of Tom ecological applications and Tom API developer platform for services. We feel that in the future, that this is going to be a very exciting product. PixelSwap is a new but unique DEX in the Tom ecosystem. They believe that the future of finance is interesting. From seamless chat to threshold-free transaction, it will redefine the DeFi embraces. Chainbase is the first full-chain data network to support the machine economy as a module layer that enables interoperability and programmability between cross-chain. Asia has always supported the development of Tom ecosystem. And number 6, RAMP connects the crypto economy today. The financial infrastructure provides a smooth legal currency and crypto asset exchange experience for companies and individuals in more than 150 countries. Today's speech all day long will have English-Chinese remote translation. Please wear headphones, scan the QR code, and both sides of the screen will enter the instant translation system. The most exciting feature of Tom ecosystem is its seamless integration with the Telegram app. So today we'll airdrop Tom red envelopes on the Telegram app from time to time during the all-day summit. I hope everyone has downloaded the Telegram in advance. Don't walk away. Don't miss this great opportunity, and good luck. And today's agenda, we will also put the most important speech, the Tom's Foundation's various support for developers, and the latest progress of the wallet in the Telegram app. In the afternoon, we will also share a lot more exciting insight with you, so stay tuned. And today we'll have many 8 minutes demo, and we have a lot of encompasses a lot of industries like e-commerce and also game developers. So first of all, I'd like to introduce our first speaker, Howard from Oyster Lab.
Thank you. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Howard. I am the co-founder and CEO of Oyster Labs. In the world today, there are 49% of the population are silent because simply they lack of a very key tool that many of us took as granted, a smartphone. This simple tool allows us to connect with our families, but also brings us financial resources and educational resources. These people are currently in silence because they do not have a smartphone. With the blockchain that we have today, these people are forgotten. At Oyster Labs, we always reimagine how we can leverage the power of blockchain to redefine digital equity for everyone and build an equitable, fair economy. This is why today I want to introduce you universal basic smartphone. A Web3 smartphone for every human. It's not just a smartphone, it's a smartphone that built with powerful blockchain power OS, and it's also affordable. At the same time, it will be pre-installed 600 plus dApps on the Tong ecosystem, all powered by the Tong blockchain. And it's not just a smartphone that connects you to the world, it's a smartphone that pays you. It's a smartphone that pays you for just being you. First, we allow you to take control of your data and get paid for your data dividends. Secondly, we also have worked with 14,000 of stores and retailers to offer you 30% cash back every time you're making a purchase. Lastly, you're able to earn crypto by simply trading on decentralized and centralized exchange. This is a phone that pays you. We are not just operating system that we have built. We are an operating system that powers with blockchain technology. I want to introduce you native signing that we have integrated into our operating system, in which is you can sign transaction without switching from your MetaMask or switching between your tabs. It's a seamless experience for those of you that are not familiarized with crypto. We also have integrated the Tong App Store, boasting 600 plus dApps on the Tong App Store. And lastly, we have the personalized Web3 portal that learns your daily patterns and present you with the apps that are most relevant to your daily user experience. This is a phone that built with powerful universal operating system. Not to mention, we also have built a universal native dApp ecosystem that have integrated these dApps that have built natively in-house. We have the universal wallets, which is help store and secure your digital assets. We also have personalized AI agent that learns your daily user patterns. We also have the universal app store, in which is we will be helping other projects pre-installing their apps onto the app store. And there will be more partnership coming soon. We also have the universal earn, like I mentioned, it's a phone that pays you data dividends, but at the same time, it's a phone that gives you cashback rewards. We have the universal cloud that is leveraging the power of decentralized storage and making your data portable anywhere. And we have the universal ID, which is protects your privacy, and you can take this ID to any apps and sign in with any apps. This is our universal native dApp ecosystem. I want to speak a little bit about our synergy with the Tong blockchain. Why we choose to build on top of the Tong blockchain? First of all, Tong blockchain has 600 plus mobile-first dApps versus only 27 on the Solana ecosystem, or even less. Therefore, we want to be able to pre-install Tong dApps onto our phone and allowing you to navigate all the Tong dApps. Lastly, we also integrated Tong into our universal native OS. And in the future, we want to be able to offer more grants to support as many Tong developers as possible. And the price is a high-quality phone with affordable price. Currently for sale for $99. It's not a phone that is with very bad performance. It is a phone with 8-core processors, 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and USB-C input, and 40-50 milliamps of lithium-ion battery. This is a powerful phone that brings you the entire Web3 in your pocket. Lastly, I want to speak a little bit about the team. We are a team of industry veterans who has been continuously building in the bear market. We have not pivoted to something else. We have been still building the industry. And therefore, I want to thank you very much. And pre-order starts now. And lastly, I want to thank all of you that have made an order these couple days. And so sorry for all the inconvenience. Let's bring Web3 to every pocket. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you，谢谢，非常感谢 Howard 带来非常精彩的第一个开场的演讲。
Thank you, Howard, for your very exciting and interesting opening. Once again, if you want to listen to our interpretation, please scan the QR code on the screen so that you can listen to our interpretation. The second speaker will be Luke.
Good morning, TON Foundation. I'm very happy to be with you today. My name is Jake. I'm with Trador, and we are very excited to be building the first smart liquidity layer for the TON ecosystem. We want to make on-chain trading more accessible, transparent, and efficient for everyone with a suite of DeFi services for Telegram users. Our first product is a new type of decentralized derivatives exchange. The Trador DEX uses smart math, machine learning, and financial safety measures to allow people to trade with more confidence, protecting traders, liquidity providers, and even the Trador protocol itself from unexpected market changes. Think of the Trador DEX as the next generation version of GMX for TON. We've improved on existing perpetual contract designs with a new pricing mechanism, which evolves the classic AMM DEX design to a new, safer design that we call Normal Distribution-Based AMM, or NDMM. By reducing risk, we allow traders to build larger and unrestricted positions with lower blowout risk and give increased capital efficiency for liquidity providers. For example, we can safely offer 400 times leverage on some pairs with only a 0.2% maintenance margin. This is twice the possible leverage compared to top centralized exchanges with only half the margin requirement. The Trador team specializes in building and operating derivatives exchanges. We've designed and engineered a complete derivatives product from scratch for a leading centralized exchange that has done billions of dollars in volume. We've also advised a DEX project on the Ethereum ecosystem that has over 250,000 users. What is special about the Trador DEX is its focus on risk management in volatile market conditions. There is complete risk control of liquidation for both traders and LPs, alongside resistance to insolvency. A battle-tested ADL system acts as a fail-safe for market extreme conditions. This ensures the protocol remains free from counterparty risk and maintains insolvency resistance. Trador is available on multiple platforms: web, mobile, and on a Telegram mini app, with complete trading functionality on all devices. To sum up, the Trador DEX is like a next-generation supercar, beautiful on the outside and with a powerful engine on the inside. Traders and LPs get narrower spreads, reduced volatility, improved price discovery, and increased liquidity compared to other perp DEXs. We started Trador a few months ago, and we've made fast progress. Our testnet is ready and is now undergoing auditing, and we expect our full launch later this month. With TON, we saw there was an opportunity to be an early mover on a network that is capable of handling huge transaction loads while maintaining low fees for its users. It's suitable for high-frequency contract transactions via bots deployed on the Telegram ecosystem. Since the majority of projects on TON are focused on GameFi or SocialFi, we realized we could strengthen its offering in DeFi in several ways. However, our initial analysis revealed several problems. First, there's a lack of asset diversity on the TON network, which limits trading activity and limiting the number of markets and the trading volume. Second, stablecoins such as USDT are not supported yet, and there's a lack of secure cross-chain bridges. When this is supported, there is the potential for significant liquidity inflows. Third, there's a disparity between the FDV of Toncoin, which stands at $25 billion, while the total value locked of the TON network is only at $100 million. This suggests DeFi offers little utility or opportunity to put Toncoin to work because more than 99% of Toncoin is not in use. TON additionally presents unique advantages not found elsewhere. User adoption is easier and cheaper on TON than on any other ecosystem. TON communities number in the millions, plus these users are very active and willing to try new mini apps. Integrated wallets also make almost every Telegram user an instant Web3 user. TON also has significant incentivization programs, including the first $115 million community program announced this month, plus project-level DeFi incentives that attract traders from other ecosystems to TON. These advantages all point to TON prioritizing retail users, unlike Ethereum, where whales drive DApp adoption. It's clear that our go-to market must be mobile first by delivering an exceptional mobile trading experience across all devices. In addition, we will leverage Telegram community channels, ads, and set up partnerships with other apps. We will also introduce gamified features for increased engagement, rewarding social tasks like check-ins and referrals. We must offer diverse derivatives from TON, Ethereum, and Solana on Trador. A mix of blue chip, altcoins, and meme coins would attract users. As for collateral support, we start with USDT and Toncoin, and then expand to Bitcoin and Ethereum. We plan to release some parts of our code base as new open source libraries for other developers to use. Also, we want to help onboard more developers to TON as we've become experienced at how it requires a more defensive style of programming than Ethereum. Things like smart contract execution, error handling, and on-chain storage fees are a few things that need to be watched carefully. The future of Trador is quite ambitious. We intend to become the smart liquidity layer for the TON ecosystem. In addition to a DEX, we intend to launch a bridge, a swap aggregator, and also introduce a machine learning engine to identify and filter toxic order flow on any connected liquidity venue. We intend to adapt the requirements of the TON ecosystem and partner with other projects to help everyone grow. Our immediate plan is to go live this quarter. And we'll be launching a major community campaign with lots of rewards over the next year. More products are coming to Trador soon to help make us a one-stop DeFi shop for anyone with a Telegram Web3 wallet. We invite you to join our Twitter and Telegram group. Come and speak to us in person, and let's see how we can work together. Thank you.
Thank you, Thank you, Jacob. Nice speech. Thank you. 那我看到很多朋友呢，其实在现场，都站在后面。
I've seen that many friends were standing at the back, but there are many empty seats in the front. You can actually come to the front so that you can decode the wealth codes, wealth mystery. So next, Luke, it's your turn.
Good morning. My name is Luke. I'm the founder of TongTix. What we are doing is to build a gateway for entertainment to enter into Web3. In this case, movie and show performance. A little bit background of this industry. Entertainment is a very, very high frequent and also very social and very emotional with passion and dreams. Build a strong connection between the strong IP, the favorite idol with the users. And also it's a huge market with a lot of spendings on production and marketing distribution. But this industry is facing big challenges. In the past 20 years, as we can see, this industry stopped growing and losing audience, especially the young audience. This data indicate the trend pretty much happening everywhere in the world, especially after the COVID, the industry is badly hurt. And there are 3 stages of this industry in terms of the distribution and ticketing. The first is we call the ticket 1.0 based on the physical box office. And about 10 years ago, the world started changing in this industry, which has a lot of ticketing on the social network. In this case, for example, WeChat ticketing. We call that ticketing 2.0. And now, in this year, we are launching ticketing 3.0 behind the TongTix. Looking into this, what behind this issue, challenges, we found this industry is very traditional, it's very centralized, very linear in terms of marketing, in terms of production, distribution. It's a closed economy and very rigid. A lot of opportunities. And we also found in this area, a lot of stakeholders are not very happy or satisfied. They are looking for changes. Start from the content creator, from the distributor, marketer, even the cinema, the venues, as well as the audience, the users, who do not want to just become a passive consumer. They want to participate in build of this IP. They want to contribute to their favorite star idols. They want to also benefit from the success of this entertainment content. So as we are seeing, there's a huge opportunity. So what TongTix is doing is to bring entertainment into Web3 using a lot of tools, a lot of resources, especially in this case from Telegram and Tong, to make this industry very decentralized, very interactive, like have the asset, have the content become a digital asset on Tong, and have the marketing, build a lot of marketing tools with the POW, POS, and eventually turn the audience into a contributor, co-builder, and also beneficial of this success of the content. If we look at the whole marketing chain or distributing chain, there are 4 very important stages of this industry. First, to build awareness, and then the interest intention, and of course the sales conversion, and last but most importantly is watching and also diffusion with the reviews. And we're on the Tong, we build different marketing tools starting from marketing, ticketing, and back to marketing. Example like earlier adapter, the critics, reviews, and also pre-booking, a lot of functions. I would like to show you a very simple demo as we are developed on Telegram bot. As you can have, we start engage the users in the bot and launch the mini apps with all this kind of entertainment content in the location, latest movies, with the movie information, watch what has been watched, liked, and to be watched, and the favorite
cast artists, you can also give incentives to reward the artist. Of course, you can also write the reviews. And in the writing the review, share the review, you are able to earn your credit. Of course, we also help the content to launch the NFT with their posters, photos, behind the scene, even the music on this platform. And on the ticketing part, of course, we also have the schedules, the shows, the seat plan. You can choose the seat. You can purchase the ticket with all kind of different methods, including the tone, of course, traditional fiat as well. You can write the review, and when your reviews get quoted, impact other people, you also receive the credit. As you can see, we have pretty much built a kind of Rotten Tomato and Fandango or Maoyan or Douban kind of thing on the Web3 and the Telegram, and benefit a lot from the tone ecosystem. We also built the show performance chapters to follow up this top artist, the stars, the concert, the news, so the fans can use Telegram to follow their favorite artist and benefit from this like a digital asset and contribution of their engagement with the artist. So this is the app, and we're launching the beta test in Southeast Asia first. And some of the features, you can play with that. So some more detail. So you're asking what value we bring to the stakeholders as we highlight there are a lot of unhappiness or needs for changes. So we want to build the value first for the content owner. We want to help them to engage the user much earlier, deeper, and more interactive. And of course, more targeted reaching and additional revenue source as we help them to bring their asset on chain. For the venue, for the cinema, of course, we also help them to connect the movie-going intention to ticket purchase directly. More audience, especially audience, benefit from the 900 million users from the Telegram, more frequent, more purchase, and of course, more marketing opportunities for the venue as well. That means more revenue, more promotion partner. Most important for the users, we're helping them to bring their dynamic experience from explore to select, ticket to review, to earn different rewards by participating in the movie marketing and distribution, to help them to benefit from this ecosystem. A little bit about our team. As you can see, we're the team with a lot of industry background from movie, distribution, marketing, show performance, as well as digital technologies. And we're very proud to bring ToneTix to the society. We have achieved a lot of things in the past, like in the second largest market in the world, we cover 90% cinema, 30% market share. We're able to handle 6 million, up to 6 million tickets per day. So we are the team with a lot of experience and passion. We're extremely honored to be part of this tone ecosystem, and we hope to invite you to join us to bring entertainment to Web3 and also make Web3 world more entertaining. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you, Luke. 谢谢，感谢带来
娱乐，谢谢。Thank you for the wonderful speech. For those who hasn't downloaded Telegram, please download it because we will have a lot of unbounds to be distributed on this Telegram app. So let's invite next speaker.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Charles， 今天我来介绍我们的项目就是 Zirkus。
My name is Charles. I'm going to talk about our product, Zirkus. What is Zirkus? Well, Zirkus is a code-free development platform. And what is that? Well, you can't write codes, but you want to develop your own app. Zucker can help you do that. Zirkus can help you do that. Everybody has our own ideas, thoughts, and concept, but we don't know how to write code, and we can't find a CTO, so we have to give up some of our ideas. But the world will not evolve with one or two people just giving up on something. But if 10,000 people or even 100 people gave up their ideas, the world has less interest. So Zirkus wants to empower the creators, the Web2 and Web3 founders, to create their dApp without coding. All right, so how can Zirkus achieve that? From our team's perspective, if we want to create a code-free platform, every module needs to be code-free. So for example, for our infrastructure, such as our servers, our hosting, our domain name, it must contain no codes. So for smart contract, it also has to be launched code-free. So for UI, front end, everything must be code-free. And for all the applications such as finance, access, and game dApp or NFT utility, or if you want to launch a Telegram mini app or Telegram board, etc., it must have the code-free application environment, and then we can be called a code-free development platform. So let me play a demo video now, and let us see how can we use a Telegram wallet or Tron space address or Authenticate to develop your own dApp. So this demo is very fast. If you feel it is too fast, you can scan a QR code and then watch the slow playing demo. All right, let's see. We are connected to the website. Then we want to authenticate our wallet. And this is a smart contract based on your ToneSpace wallet. And then we will deploy an NFT collection. And these are some random materials put on it on your text descriptions. And you have to deploy on Ton, because this is on a Ton chain. And this is our first NFT, and the name. This is 1x1 mint. And we have a batch minter as well on top. So you can see after deployment, you can see in Tom Views or jettomstar.io, you can see that. Next module on the UI front end, if you want to change the face of your website, it's fully customizable. You can see how to do that, how to deploy that. And if you don't want to play video and you want to change the theme, you can actually put as many templates as possible that is connected. Next, we can change more content. No matter what kind of icon you wanted, no matter what color or font you use, is not a problem anymore. And if you want to watch that, if you want to visit that that website, you can use this this QR code. So if you want to deploy an NFT marketplace in our development, there are 7 more modules that is being built, and we have doc structure tooling that is very important in our view to the community, because many of the communities are built on Telegram, but they don't have a real way to reward their members. But if they can actually develop their NFT in a code-free way, and then deploy a HTML5 game SDK, more and more gaming studios can be onboarded easily to develop their code-free platform. And there are some real-world access and finance tools. And that's our development toolkits. Several more modules. That's our DAPI and our hosting. We can look for different types of service providers, because we can't write all the APIs. So we need many partners to work with us to build the Tone ecosystem. And there's another fashion marketplace. As you can see, most of the NFT marketplace UI looks like that, but we can open our UI to let more people collaborate with us to design the UI. So today, you can see besides our projects, we're looking for partners as well. If you're a builder or a developer, we welcome you to collaborate with us because our smart contracts, our source codes are all open source. We want to create a very open system. And if you are an infrastructure service provider, and if you have a product or a service that you felt that on our platform, you can be connected and help our users, we welcome you to discuss with us. And if you are a designer, a UI designer or a creator, we welcome you to pay attention to us, to follow us, because our flagship marketplace, after our development, you can put your own design template on top. So a little bit introduction about our team and our history. A few years ago, we started the development of this code-free platform, and this year we received a grant from Tong, and we felt that Tong's ecosystem is very similar to ours. It's free to use, but you can pay to go premium. I believe this is a very good thing, and we brought our team to Telegram and to Tong, and this year we're very glad to join the Future Trip Campus. Together with Tom, this brought us many opportunities. Okay, our team, as you can see, most of the team members are based in Europe. Our dev teams are headed by Mike. Our CTO, I come from Singapore. My name is Charles. All right, you can see a QR code. If you scan it, you can put TomSpace wallet there. We can airdrop some SBT for you. The SBT is something for you to gain premium access to Zerka Studio. All right, we are also we're also going through our seed round financing. So if you are interested, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much, Charles, for the wonderful sharing. We've seen very wonderful sharings. If you're interested, you can scan the QR code to keep in contact and communication with them. Next, let's welcome Aisham.
Okay, nice to meet you guys. So we're going to introduce you guys today with our decentralized social commerce platform, Bounty Bay. So we are going to showcase how we're going to unleash the power of social network on Telegram. So today, like many people don't know the fact that even though in Web2 world, so social sharing really contribute quite a lot of things. So even for Amazon associate today, so at least like half of their Amazon sales are generated from affiliate marketing and social sharing. And not to mention like within the WeChat ecosystem, we have a lot of like proven model by leveraging the social virus sharing, social shouts to trigger the great revenue and traffic to the platform. So while we analysis the opportunity here on Telegram back to a few months ago, so we did some research for the ecosystem. So there are actually a great amount of demand for selling and buying product here. But today, there is nothing that they can do or leverage within the ecosystem. So all the things they can do is to leverage the P2P chat or some grouped communication to conduct their final transaction out there. So there is zero strategy basically to drive the social traffic. And also all the things you can do is to leverage the zero trust third-party website and payment to complete your all the transaction. So no matter for the buyers and also for the sellers, all the experience are end-to-end hand-holding. So this is a great opportunity that we have seen here on Telegram. So there are first were 900 million monthly active users, and also the integration between Tong Wallet and also the ecosystem introduce a new native payment method for everyone to leverage, and the evolving mini app ecosystem to help us to build up rich feature for more commercialization opportunities. So that's why we decided to introduce Bounty Bay. So Bounty Bay is a social-based product recommendation system network within the Telegram system. So over here, if you are a buyer, your brand, so you will be able to list your product within our marketplace and leverage our social web sharing feature to distribute your product and outreach everyone out there within the 900 million users. And if you are a creator, KOL, general users, you can sort for all the great deals, product within the system, and distribute your information out there to acquire more support from the system and earn from your recommendation. So all the transaction, the monetization flow will be empowered by Tong token and also the Tong blockchain. So we will have our BY token for the platform incentive as well. So there are two signature features that we are introduced today. So the first one is the group deal feature, where you can unlock the best reward with your friends and communities together. And also we have our friend boost feature for everyone. So for example, like for the brand, it will be a great feature for you to identify the key social influencer for you within the ecosystem and get product promoted across social web selling. So right now, our platform supports a variety kinds of different products. So like we support for the wide list distribution and also the selling of digital products, such as like the Web3 festival ticket and other digital courses, resources, etc. And we also support for the selling of utility in discounted price and also the fashion, lifestyle, goods and merch in real world. So here today, by leveraging the ecosystem and the social network power, so we are being able to acquire about like 380K app visitors and also 40K above app users right now. And there are like 80K members within our community already. So all the things are connected by the power of social traffic within Telegram and Tong ecosystem. So if you are interested in have a try, so we would like to welcome you to join and explore our product. So feel free to scan this QR code. So today we actually have a very special reward. So Bounty Bay is collaborating with Oyster Labs. For this campaign today, we are going to dispute this fancy, shining, the first Tong native smartphone out there. So if you want to win this product, so feel free to join our campaign. And the page that you just turn on here is my personal friend boost feature. So if you can help me to add boost for my support to get a winning of this product, I'm going to distribute all of you, my supporter, my booster, for additional Tong tokens. So if you want to create your own friend boost campaign and acquire more support to win this greatest phone of the world, so you can create your own friend boost campaign by our create my own button. You will be able to see a blue button in the middle to create your own challenge and collect your own boost in the ecosystem. Okay. So our product has been backed by a lot of strategy ecosystem partner already. So we are already backed by the grant from Tong Foundation, and we are part of member from the Tong Foundation and Hashkey Future 3 Campus Accelerator. And besides, we also have a bunch of solid Web3 and Web2 partners built up already. If you are really looking into more details, are interested about our next stage and how we're going to introduce more opportunity and fancy item into Tong and the Telegram ecosystem, feel free to join our community and stay tuned. Okay, thank you.
谢谢 Thank you. Thank you for your very interesting sharing just now. Thank you for your sharing. Just now, when we listened to this presentation, I also share with my thinking with one of the Tong partners, because I know everybody is very interested about investment. So when do we start putting our attention to this ecosystem? I think it probably can draw back to last December, and I think when the price has exploding, has gone up very quickly, we can see the future of that. So this next panel discussion, we are going to have a few experts, including some of the very core fund members of Tong, to talk about the future development of this ecosystem.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Tong 基金会的 Research Lead Vivi。
Morning, my name is Vivian. I'm in charge of the Tong research projects. Today, this is our first panel in the morning, and I'm very glad to invite some of the management from Mingwen. Mingwen, I think, probably started to gain awareness from the second half of last year, and also with the BTC's explosion earlier this year. This is again being put a spotlight on. So today I invited a few experts from Mingwen because they have gained a lot of attention and they've gained a lot of vintage in this industry, and that's to share with us their success stories. So the first question, I'd like to invite all my guest speakers to introduce themselves a little bit. Thank you. So first of all, Tom Lucas. Thanks, Vivi, to invite us. My name is Lucas. I'm one of the co-founder of Tom Lucas. Tom Not, it's a social inscription project, and it's a social inscription project. And then we have an invitation system. We